Welcome to the Michigan Tech Materials Characterization and Fabrication Facility Microfabrication Core Laboratory. This research facility brings together advanced fabrication, characterization, and nanoscale engineering instruments that support innovation across science and technology. As a research-enabling facility, the lab provides students and researchers with hands-on instruction and access to advanced cleanroom technologies while supporting collaboration, experimentation, and discovery. Inside the laboratory, researchers work with specialized instrumentation used to explore and develop microfabrication processes at the micro and nanoscale. Electron beam and sputter deposition systems enable metallic, semiconducting, and dielectric materials to be layered in thin films onto substrate surfaces with exceptional precision. The facility also supports advanced plasma or dry etching methodologies using reactive ion etching and inductively coupled plasma etch technologies. Plasma-based etching processes allow materials to be selectively removed with high precision, enabling the fabrication of complex microscale structures and experimental device architectures. Advanced metrology tools allow fabricated structures in thin films to be analyzed with incredible precision. Surface topology, feature dimensions, and material properties can all be measured at the micro and nanoscale. Photolithographic capabilities allow micro and nanoscale patterns to be transferred onto silicon wafers using light-sensitive materials and precision alignment systems. Wet bench processing systems support chemical processing in development, cleaning, and etching steps critical to device fabrication at the sample or wafer scales up to 150 millimeters. The laboratory supports advanced three-dimensional micro and nanofabrication using the Nanoscribe PPGT2 two-photon polymerization instrument. Laser-based nanoscale printing enables the creation of complex three-dimensional microstructures for many emerging research applications. High-resolution microscopy systems allow researchers to inspect fabricated devices, analyze process quality, and study microscopic structures in extraordinary detail. Throughout the facility, fabrication and measurement work together in a continuous cycle of process development, testing, and refinement. Every experiment contributes to a deeper understanding of materials, devices, and microscale engineering. The Michigan Tech Materials Characterization and Fabrication Facility Microfabrication Core Laboratory is more than a cleanroom. It is a research environment designed to support innovation, hands-on learning, and the development of next-generation researchers and technologies. This facility provides the tools to turn ideas into discovery. Welcome to micro and nanoscale technology research at Michigan Technological University.